The great thing about living in a studio apartment is it doesn't take that long to clean. Hey guys, it's Keegan. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a little reset video. I got a request recently to do like a clean with me style video, reset video, and I thought my apartment is a mess. If you can't tell, the bad thing about living in a studio apartment is it gets messy really fast. But the great thing about living in a studio apartment is it doesn't take that long to clean. So I thought we would do a little big reset video because it is needed. Very needed. This isn't like a Sunday reset style video. This is just me like really needing to clean and to get everything back on track. I was out of town a couple weeks ago and I haven't honestly just gotten back to my normal state of being, and it's kind of just piled up and gotten really messy. So I thought I'd take you guys with me and we do it, and I hope there's some really cool time-lapse speed cleaning things of me cleaning. I hope it turns out cool. I think we're gonna start with the living room. I have a cute little cat right there. There's not a ton of stuff. It's just things that I need to declutter a little bit. I have this that I need to return. I don't know why my toxic trait is just dropping things in my hallway. I know I really need to work on it. I've been like this forever. Also, I was planning on doing my laundry, but alas, there's only one washer and dryer for my whole building and it is taken. Usually it is always taken unless I find it at like 6 a.m. Maybe that's gonna be a 6 a.m. job. And my kitchen, I don't even want to get started on my kitchen. Like that's just, I don't even want to look at that. Do you want to contribute and help? No? Okay. It happens to the best of us. What I'm thinking of doing is putting on a show and just grinding and deep cleaning. So let's do it. I wanted to pop in here and say a quick thank you to the sponsor of today's video, which is Built. I feel like I'm constantly looking for ways to make my life a little bit easier, and I found a really cool one for you guys. I've talked about Built in the past, but if you guys are not familiar with Built is a rewards program for your home that rewards you with points on every single rent, mortgage payment, wherever you live. There are so many different ways that you can redeem your Built points, like flights, hotels, Amazon, Lyft, fitness classes, student loan balances, and even a down payment on a house. But one thing that I think is really cool is Built Neighborhood Concierge. It's complimentary to every Built member, and it's not just something that gives you information, it's something that can actually take action to get things done. So you can tell it to pay your rent or your mortgage or make a reservation, book that fitness class, book that hotel, book that flight. It's connected to more than 45,000 partners across the country, so it actually knows your neighborhood and it can apply eligible Built benefits and rewards along the way. And the more you share your preferences, the better it gets at knowing what you like. I like the idea of having something that can check things off my to-do list instead of adding more things to my to-do list. If you guys want to learn more and check them out, make sure to use the link in my description. Thanks again to Built for sponsoring this video. The living room is now clean. Trying to get all of the cat hair off my couch really kicked up a lot of cat hair in the air, so now my allergies are going a little crazy. But there was enough cat hair in my couch that I could make like a small stuffed animal out of it. This couch really traps the hair into it, so it takes some elbow grease. But I think we're gonna keep the momentum going. I am sweating now. I'm gonna turn my fan on. My friend who is moving was nice enough to give me this fan that she was getting rid of. And I think one thing that I want to do first is just kind of clean all the dust out of it.
Compost but off the rails. I'm doing okay. I'm doing okay. I'm okay.
I'm embarrassed to say this, but I mean it. I do not remember the last time I was able to see the floor in here. The full floor. don't remember it. Probably when I moved in. No, that's maybe a little bit of a stretch. It's been a while, been a long while. Next, I think we need to hit the kitchen. I really don't want to, but we need to do it. If I don't do it now, I'm never gonna do it. I'm just gonna keep putting it off.
Been trying to keep it on track, but what can I say? If get what you get is the brand, I do it for a no name. I'm doing okay. I'm okay.
Like I said, the best part about living in a studio apartment is it's easy to clean. Or maybe not easy, but it's quick to clean. If I had a dishwasher, it'd be a lot faster. So all we have left is the hallway and the bathroom.
Shade on your face, pouring rain. Oh, I wish we had stayed. Misplaced, got somewhere to be, but don't wanna leave. Just one more drink, don't wanna think about anywhere, anyone else. Maybe I could've loved you.
I am now in an incredible mood. My house feels so clean. I feel so happy. I didn't get around to cleaning my shower because I ran out of shower cleaning stuff, so I need to buy some. So that was my excuse. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that it gave you guys some inspiration. I love watching these videos to motivate me to clean. Hopefully do the same for you. If not, hope you enjoyed the music I chose. I don't even know what music I'm going to choose. But I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.